playing around, let's go ahead and grab some tools and get started. Grab some wrenches, disconnect the battery, and drain the coolant. It took about an hour to drain this completely, so I come back a little later. I go ahead and then disconnect the fuel lines and the carburetor and all the bolts attached to it. And it just comes right off. Now I always usually put the bolts back in the carburetor studs just so I don't lose them, and I take off the spacer. And of course I had a lot of help while I was filming this. Daisy, Jenny, Grace, right there, and then of course Moose. He had to be shooed away. He wanted some of the coolant. So it started getting a little bit darker and the wind was starting to pick up. So I knew I was running out of time. So I went ahead and turned on a few of the patio lights and decided just to get as much done as I could. And I decided to go ahead and take the spark plug wires off, but I'm going to leave the spark plugs in until after it stops raining. That way I don't get any water in there. I went ahead and removed the upper radiator hose and lower radiator hose, and of course, as I pulled it off, I made a mess. And once the hoses were free and the transmission cooler lines were free, the radiator just came right out. I'm going to go ahead and remove the alternator. I start feeling the little sprinkles on my head, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up for the day, make sure everything's put away, and then I will resume this probably sometime later this week.
You ready to go in?